To fix a non-working top-load washer, several potential issues should be considered, including problems with the power supply, a faulty lid switch, or a defective control board. To start, the power supply should be inspected to determine if the outlet being used is functioning properly. This can be done by unplugging the washer and testing it in a different outlet. Additionally, it's essential to check if the washer's breaker has been tripped. If the outlet is working correctly, the power cord should be examined for any signs of damage, such as burns, breaks, or bends. A multimeter can be used to test for continuity, and if the cord or outlet is damaged, it should be replaced. If the power supply is not the issue, the lid switch should be inspected next. The lid switch is a crucial component that ensures the washer remains closed during a cycle. And if it's defective, the washer won't function. Fortunately, replacing the lid switch is a relatively simple and inexpensive process. This involves unplugging the washer, disconnecting the water supply, and lifting the top panel to access the lid switch. The switch should be carefully removed from its housing and tested for continuity using a multimeter. If the readings are off, the switch should be replaced before reattaching the top panel and restoring water and power to the washer. If the problem persists after checking the power supply and lid switch, the control board should be examined. The control board is responsible for controlling the washer's electrical components, and if it fails, the washer won't work. To replace the control board, the washer should be unplugged, and the control panel removed. The wires should be disconnected, and the old board removed. The replacement board should be aligned and connected to the wires, then attached to the panel. The panel should be secured with mounting screws, and power restored to the washer. After completing these steps, the washer should be tested to see if it's working properly. It's also important to consult the washer's manual for guidance on the repair process.